Hi, this video is the before and after hair transplant restoration surgery. An Asian man who had a FUE done by me, Dr. Diep, just to show the audience what it looked like before. The video was 1500 hair graft and built the front half on the right side view. And just to have the patient turn to the right for me. Turn to the left. Look straight. Look like before. And for more information, you can go to my website at www.mhtaclinic.com. Click on the before and after icon on the right hand side, or call 1-866-999-6482, or you can go to my YouTube channel, JG Diep. And get it back to this patient again. And just zoom in. And just I'll show the audience how natural and dense his hairline is. Thank you.